Have you ever wondered why life sometimes feels like an unending series of challenges and hardships? Why, despite your best efforts, you seem to be constantly battling unseen forces? According to Dolores Cannon, this pervasive sense of struggle may be rooted in what is known as spiritual warfare. But what exactly is spiritual warfare, and how does it impact our daily lives? The nature of spiritual warfare. Spiritual warfare is a profound and complex concept that extends beyond physical reality, encompassing the unseen battles between opposing spiritual forces. At its core, spiritual warfare involves the conflict between positive and negative energies or entities that seek to influence our thoughts, emotions, and actions. These forces are often understood as representing the dualities of good and evil, light and darkness, or constructive and destructive energies. The essence of spiritual warfare lies in its subtlety and pervasiveness. Unlike physical battles that are visible and tangible, spiritual warfare operates on a metaphysical level. It affects the human psyche, influencing our innermost thoughts and feelings. This conflict can manifest in various forms, such as negative thought patterns, emotional turmoil, and even physical ailments. The struggles we face daily, often attributed to external circumstances, may have deeper spiritual roots. Identifying the signs of spiritual warfare. Recognizing the signs of spiritual warfare is crucial for understanding the deeper reasons behind our daily struggles. These signs often manifest subtly, intertwining with our mental, emotional, and physical states, making them easy to overlook. However, awareness of these indicators can empower us to address the root causes and seek effective solutions. One of the most common signs of spiritual warfare is persistent negative emotions. Feelings of anxiety, fear, depression, and hopelessness that seem disproportionate to our circumstances or persist despite efforts to resolve them may signal a deeper spiritual conflict. These emotions can feel overwhelming and insurmountable, often leading to a sense of being trapped or powerless. Identifying the signs of spiritual warfare involves paying close attention to persistent negative emotions, unexplained changes in circumstances, physical symptoms without medical explanations, spiritual disconnection, and intrusive thoughts. By recognizing these signs, we can begin to address the underlying spiritual issues, seeking balance and harmony in our lives. The role of awareness and mindfulness. Awareness and mindfulness play crucial roles in navigating spiritual warfare, providing essential tools to recognize and combat negative influences. By cultivating a heightened state of awareness, individuals can discern the subtle shifts in their thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations that may indicate spiritual conflict. This awareness acts as a first line of defense, enabling early detection of negative patterns and influences. Mindfulness, the practice of staying present and fully engaged in the current moment, enhances this awareness. It involves observing one's thoughts and feelings without judgment, creating a space where one can acknowledge and address negative influences without being overwhelmed by them. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindful movement, help anchor the individual in the present moment, reducing the impact of past traumas or future anxieties that often fuel spiritual disturbances. By maintaining a mindful state, individuals become more attuned to their inner landscapes, noticing when thoughts or emotions seem foreign or unusually intense. This attunement allows for a clearer understanding of whether these experiences are self-generated or influenced by external spiritual forces. For instance, during periods of mindfulness meditation, one might observe recurring negative thoughts that appear to arise from nowhere. Recognizing these as potential signs of spiritual interference is the first step in mitigating their impact. In addition, mindfulness promotes self-compassion and acceptance. By approaching oneself with kindness and understanding, individuals can better withstand the challenges posed by spiritual warfare. They learn to nurture their strengths and acknowledge their vulnerabilities without succumbing to self-criticism or despair. In essence, awareness and mindfulness serve as powerful allies in spiritual warfare. They empower individuals to detect and address negative influences proactively, maintain emotional and mental stability, and cultivate a compassionate and resilient mindset. Through these practices, one can navigate the complexities of spiritual warfare with greater clarity and strength, ultimately fostering a more balanced and harmonious life. Strengthening your spiritual armor. In the context of spiritual warfare, strengthening your spiritual armor is crucial for safeguarding your inner peace and resilience against negative influences. This metaphorical armor consists of practices and beliefs that fortify your spirit, providing protection and strength in the face of spiritual challenges. Prayer and meditation. Prayer and meditation are foundational practices for building spiritual armor. Prayer connects you to a higher power, providing comfort, guidance, and a sense of divine protection. Meditation, on the other hand, helps cultivate inner peace and clarity. Regular meditation practice calms the mind, allowing you to become more aware of negative thoughts and energies, and equips you with the mental discipline to manage them effectively. Positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are another powerful tool. By regularly affirming your worth, strength, and connection to the divine, you reinforce positive self-beliefs and repel negative influences. These affirmations can serve as mental armor, shielding you from self-doubt and negativity. Spiritual practices. Engaging in regular spiritual practices, such as reading sacred texts, attending spiritual gatherings, or participating in rituals, strengthens your spiritual foundation. These activities remind you of your core beliefs and values, reinforcing your sense of purpose and connection to a larger spiritual community. Energy cleansing. Techniques such as smudging with sage, using crystals, or practicing Reiki can cleanse your energy field, removing negative energies that might have attached themselves to you. Regular energy cleansing helps maintain a positive and protective spiritual environment. Connecting with nature. Spending time in nature can be incredibly grounding and rejuvenating. Nature's tranquility and beauty can replenish your spirit, offering a natural shield against negativity. Practices such as walking in the forest, gardening, or simply sitting by a body of water can help you reconnect with the earth's nurturing energy. Strengthening your spiritual armor is an ongoing process that involves integrating these practices into your daily life. By doing so, you build a robust defense system that not only protects you from negative influences, but also enhances your spiritual growth and well-being. This fortified state of being empowers you to face life's challenges with confidence and resilience, secure in the knowledge that your spirit is well protected. The power of positivity and love. Positivity and love are among the most potent forces in spiritual warfare, serving as powerful antidotes to negative influences. Their transformative power lies in their ability to uplift the spirit, foster resilience, and create a protective barrier against negativity. Positivity as a shield. Positivity acts as a shield by fostering a mindset that is resistant to negative influences. When you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you naturally repel negativity. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending everything is perfect, but rather approaching life's difficulties with a constructive and optimistic outlook. This positive mindset helps to maintain emotional equilibrium, even in the face of adversity. Love is a transformative force. Love, especially unconditional love, has a transformative power that can heal and uplift both the giver and the receiver. When you cultivate love, whether through acts of kindness, compassion, or empathy, you create an energy that transcends negative forces. Love can heal emotional wounds, bridge divides, and foster a deep sense of connection with others and the divine. Gratitude as a practice. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to cultivate positivity and love. By regularly reflecting on and appreciating the positive aspects of your life, you shift your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant. This shift in perspective enhances your overall sense of well-being and reinforces a positive outlook, making it harder for negative energies to take hold. Kindness and compassion. Acts of kindness and compassion towards others amplify the positive energy around you. These acts create ripples of positivity that not only benefit the recipients, but also enhance your own spiritual strength. Compassion fosters understanding and unity, countering the divisive nature of negative forces. Asterisk. In essence, positivity and love are not just personal virtues but powerful spiritual tools. By embracing these forces, you create a resilient and nurturing environment for your spirit, fostering a sense of inner peace and strength that is impervious to negative influences. This not only enhances your own well-being, but also contributes to the collective upliftment of those around you.